Hey, my name is Omar Erchid, and I'm the founder of Erchid Law Firm here in Tampa, Florida. I primarily work in real estate, business, and estate planning law. Now, everyone's needs are a little bit different, but generally speaking, the legal service I can recommend to everyone is having a solid estate plan in place. Estate planning is a total no-brainer, and here's why. First, everyone needs one. If you own anything, if you have kids, if you're in a relationship, or just care who gets your stuff and who makes decisions for you, then you already have an estate. The only question is, do you decide what happens, or does the court? Second, it saves you money in the long run. I've seen so many horror stories in cases where there was no plan or a cheap do-it-yourself plan that didn't work. Things like families spending thousands of dollars in court just to get access to an account, siblings fighting over who's in charge, assets tied up for months or years because the law had to step in and sort out the mess. All of that is way more expensive financially and emotionally than just sitting down and doing proper planning up front. And third, it's all about control. With an estate plan, you decide who gets what, who is in charge, and who makes medical and financial decisions if you can't. You're keeping control in your hands, or in the hands of trusted people that you choose, not in the hands of the state or some judge who's never met you. So when people ask, what legal services should I start with? Start with the one that protects everything else, your estate plan. Remember, this is general information and not legal advice. But if you don't have a plan yet, or you're not sure your documents would actually work when needed, it's time to talk to an estate planning attorney. Give our office a call and set up a consultation today.